Hey guys, so this video is about time and money. So very important things to know how to solve problems with. So for the first two problems, we're going to be talking about time. So here it says last week, Shink did chores for 1 hour, 15 minutes on Monday and 25 minutes on Tuesday. Shink spent a total of 115 minutes doing chores on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. How many minutes did he spend doing chores on Wednesday? All right, so here's the first thing I notice is that it says minutes. How many minutes did he spend? But here I have 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I'm gonna have to use what I know about converting units of measurement to solve this problem. So it says 1 hour, 15 minutes on Monday, 25 minutes on Tuesday. So that means that we do not know how many minutes that he spent on Wednesday, and that's the important part here. Okay, so we need Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. He spent a total of 115 minutes. Total is a very important word here, guys. Total means that everything on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday equals 115. So the first thing I have to do is get this 1 hour, 15 minutes into just minutes, because if I don't, it's not going to work. So 1 hour, 15 minutes being put into just minutes means that I have to take this 1 hour and change it into minutes. The 15 is going to stay the same, but I need to find out how many minutes are in 1 hour. So going back to our units of measurement where we need to convert, if you need to pause and get your notebooks to look this up, go ahead. 1 hour equals how many minutes? Pause if you need to. 60. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 60 plus 15 equals 75. So 1 hour, 15 minutes equals 75 minutes. Now, on Tuesday, he spent 25 minutes doing chores. So we're not going to have to do anything necessarily with the 25 minutes because it's already in the unit of measurement that we need for our answer. So we need to do 75 minutes plus 25 minutes. And when we do that, we get the answer of 100. So this is for Monday, and this is for Tuesday. Now we need Wednesday. Okay, so we need the Monday plus Tuesday and the Wednesday to equal 115 minutes. So in order to do that, I have 115 minutes, which is the total. I have to find how much for Wednesday. Now this is Monday and Tuesday. I need to find Wednesday. So I'm going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide here. We're going to have to subtract. So I have 115 minus the total for Monday and Tuesday, which is 100 minutes. So when I subtract that, I have 15 minutes for Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday, he did chores for 15 minutes. Okay, and that is our answer. Now, if you want to double check your answer, what you're going to have to do is this. You have to take the 25 minutes on Tuesday, add the 75 minutes, that was the hour and 15 minutes for Monday, and then you have to add the 15 minutes that you just got for Wednesday. Okay, so here's Tuesday, here's Monday, here's Wednesday. Does it matter that it's not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? No, because of the commutative property of addition, we can flip the numbers and it doesn't matter which one is in which spot. So we have to do our ones. So we have 5, 10, 15. So 5, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 8. Sorry. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Sorry, I got distracted for a second. See why we don't distract ourselves while doing math? So here is our total of 115 minutes. Okay, so always double check your work to make sure that you are getting what you need to get. Okay, so now here's the next one. Here it says that Sadie spent 58 minutes doing homework. She played outside for 20 minutes and practiced the piano for 25 minutes. How many more minutes did Sadie spend doing homework than practicing the piano and playing outside? So this is another multi-step problem here. We have 58 minutes for homework. For playing outside, she spent 20 minutes, and she practiced the piano for 25 minutes. How many more minutes did Sadie spend doing homework than practicing the piano and playing outside? Now, I have a couple keywords here. I have how many more, which is a very important keyword that can get us tripped up sometimes. And then I have homework. And then I have practicing the piano and playing outside. The and is extremely important. Sorry about the lines. It's kind of iffy. The and is extremely, extremely, extremely important. Okay? So it's asking how many more minutes did she spend doing homework? So she spent 58 minutes doing homework. I'm going to use HW for short. She was outside for 20 minutes, and she played the piano for 25 minutes. Now, here's what we need to know. We need to know how long she practiced the piano and played outside. So we have to take these guys, excuse me, and add them together. So she played outside for 20 minutes. She practiced the piano for 25 minutes. So 20 plus 25 equals 45 minutes. Now, she spent 58 minutes doing homework. So it's asking how many more minutes did she spend doing homework than these two activities? Now, are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Now, I know a lot of you are going to say adding because you see the word more here. But if you look in your notebooks, in your keywords, where does it say how many more? Is it under addition? No, it's under subtraction. So we have to take the 58 minutes of homework, and we need to subtract it from the 45 minutes of doing the piano and playing outside. So 8 minus 5 is 3, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So she spent 13 more minutes doing homework than she did playing the piano and playing outside. Okay, so that's our answer here. Now we're going to take a look at money. So money here is a little different. It says Prim bought 3 muffins at the school bake sale. Each muffin cost 75 cents. She also bought a cookie for 50 cents. Prim gave Mr. Hall a $5 bill. How much change did she get? So here I have 3 muffins, and the muffins, each muffin, cost 75 cents. She also bought a cookie for 50 cents. She gave Mr. Hall a $5 bill. How much change did she get? Now, when you're talking about change, are you talking about adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? You're going to be talking about subtracting. So you're giving money, and then with change, you get some money back. But it's not going to be more than what you gave. So if I went to the store and I gave the cashier a $10 bill, and I expected my change to be $3.25, and I got $13.25, that's not going to make sense because I'm paying for something. I have to get back less than what I gave. So let's take a look here. I have 3 muffins for 75 cents. Okay? So with 75 cents, I'm going to multiply that by 3. Okay? Now, when you're talking about multiplying with decimals, you're not going to learn how to do that until 5th grade. Okay, so what you can do instead is do 75 cents and add it 3 times. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 5, carry my 1, 7, 3 times is 21, plus 1 is 22. So here's the 2, and then I bring the $2 over into the $1 place. So I have the 2 here, and that is $2.25. Now, she gave Mr. Hall a $5 bill. Okay, now you can do this one of 2 ways. I'm going to erase this here. You can do this one of 2 ways. Okay, you can either get to $3, so add however many cents it is until you get to $3, and then add how many dollar bills it would be until you get to $5. Or you can subtract. Now, subtracting with decimals is the same thing as adding with decimals. It's just, you add as if it's a whole number, okay? But you do have this decimal point here, okay? So if you have the $5 bill and you are paying $2.25, sorry, $2.25, 0 minus 5, can't do it. 0 minus 2, can't do it. So we're going to pretend this is 500 minus 225. It's just that there's going to be a decimal point right there. So I need to borrow from the $1 to give to the tens place. Okay, so this is my 10 cents. So these are how many dimes I have. And right now I have 10 dimes. Okay, but I still need to have pennies here so that I can take away 5 pennies. So the 10 becomes a 9. 0 becomes a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. So I have 75 cents. So now I'm doing $4 minus $2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is how much change that she should get back. So remember, when you're adding and subtracting with money, all you have to do is treat it as if they're whole numbers. But you just have a decimal point in there. So you just put the decimal point in line with everything else, just like I did here and here. And then you just add or subtract. Okay, that's it. So here we have another problem. Because Marcel bought 4 DVDs. Each DVD cost $19.50, including tax. So the good thing here is we don't have to worry about tax. He has a coupon for $5 off the total cost. Marcel gave the clerk a $100 bill. How much change will he get? All right, so here we have 4 DVDs. Okay. Sorry, let me fix that. 4 DVDs. Each DVD cost $19.50. He has a coupon. Now here, coupon tells us something. So if you take a coupon, or if your parents take a coupon to, let's say, Publix, okay, and they give the cashier that coupon, what is the purpose of the coupon? It's to take money off. So if it says $5 off the total cost, we're going to be taking $5 away from whatever the total happens to be. So it's going to be $5 off the total cost. Okay, so off and total are the most important words here. Marcel gave the clerk a $100 bill. Okay, how much change will he get? Again, the word change. Okay, so I want you to see if you can try this on your own. I will go over it step by step with you, but I want you to try it first. Okay, so using what we have done here with cubing up our problem, pause the video and go ahead and solve it. Okay, so here we have 4 DVDs. Each DVD is $19.50. So I have to do $19.50 4 times. Okay, so I need to add these guys up. So $19.50 4 times. Again, you're not going to learn how to multiply with decimals until next year. So we're just going to add all these guys together. Okay, so all these zeros, it's going to be 0. So with 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have our 0 here. The decimal point goes in line, and then we have the 2 being carried into the dollars place, the whole dollar. Now we have 9 4 times, okay? So 9 times 4 equals 36. And we're adding 2, so that's 38. So the 8 goes down here, the 3 goes into the $10 place. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a total of $78, okay? But remember, we have a coupon for $5 off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take $78 and subtract $5. So when we subtract it, we get $73. Now, he gives a $100 bill. We need to know how much change he's going to get. Remember, you're not going to give a $100 bill and then get $173 back in change. You're going to get less than what it is that you gave. So we're going to have a number less than 100. So in order to do that, we need to subtract. So we're going to do 100 minus $73. 0 minus 3, can't do it. So I'm going to borrow from the tens, but I can't because there's a 0 here too. So I need to come and borrow from the hundreds. So you have no more hundreds. We're going to break it up into tens. So to have $100, I need 10 tens. But I have the problem of I can't do 0 minus 3, so I have to borrow from here again. So I'm going to take one of the tens and leave 9 here, and I'm going to give 10 ones. Okay, so 10 minus 3, I can now do, that's 7. 9 minus 7 I can do, which is 2. So this is how much change he should get back, $27 in change. Did you get that right? I hope so. If not, you have another chance to practice again. These two you're going to give me as your work to get your Boggy Bucks or your M&Ms or a treasure box or whatever it is that you happen to have earned. So you're going to do this problem. This one is based on time. So go ahead and pause it, and when you're ready, come on back. And here is the last one. This is about money. Okay, so go ahead and do these two and bring them in with the rest of your work. Remember, if you don't do the work, it's not going to help you as much as if you watch the video and do the work, because you have to practice, all right? So go ahead and do this, and I'll see y'all later.
Bye.